Hello friends, welcome back to the Windy video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to upload guys how can we change phone sleep time in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to change guys your phone sleep time setting in your Realme phone. So guys, how can you change your phone sleep time? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video guys. So friends, now let's see guys how can we change phone sleep time. Open your phone setting guys and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your display and brightness guys, click on display and brightness and again scroll. Friends, you can see guys your auto screen means your phone select time setting guys, you can change from here guys. We will change into a 15 second and friends come back. So when after 15 second guys your phone will sleep guys, wait and watch. And before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. And friends, do you any doubt related to guys your phone sleep time setting, so you can ask me in comment section guys. You can just going to and off. So like that guys, you can change your phone sleep time in your Realme phone. Bye guys.